Hi guys, so this is my analysis update on GU. What am I expecting on GU, guys? I'm gonna do a quick recap on my previous analysis. If you watched my previous analysis, I said I was expecting GU to push to the upside a little bit because we got to my negative 61.8% fib level. And if you've been watching my video, you know around that zone is my reversal zone. So I was expecting a bit of a reversal around that area, which means we were on a downside. I was expecting a bit of an uptrend, and this was my target around that area right here. But as we can see that we did not get to the target, we still continue to drop to the downside. So I'm gonna reanalyze right now based on the current price action because our previous analysis was invalid, which is okay. No strategy is an holy grail. That is why they say you don't predict the market to react to the market. So I'm going to delete this right now, and let's see. I'm going to go to a bigger time frame just for me to see the overall direction on gold right now. So we can see that gold is really dropping, and I was expecting gold to, since I saw rejection around this area, I was expecting gold to at least push up a little bit to 1.23695 because that is my next bullish target on gold. So that is my next bullish target on gold, but we have to look for a reversal point before we know the next direction, because we can see that is still, especially this candlestick right here that was closed on Friday. It looks, if it close below the zone right here, then there's a possibility it might continue to still drop, right? But let's see how that will play out by when the market opens. So now that we can see that there is nothing much to see, let's just see our next nothing much to see. I can put a zone right here just to show us that if we're still going to continue to push to the downside, that is like a possible zone to be at. And my reason for that is because we can see that, let me make it longer. Okay, so we can see around this area will be my next target, because we can see there was that break of structure and it hasn't retested that yet. So if you're going to continue to push to the downside, that will be a possibility that I'm seeing right here. Let me put an imbalance right here just to be a little bit more a daily imbalance right here, just to see a little bit more number around that area. So but this is for a long term though, because if I use my ruler, my peep ruler around the area, you can see, because this is a daily time frame, this is like a future reference. We can see from here to here it's about, let's see, about 375 pips, which is great. But like I said, we have to take it one step at a time. I don't like predicting too much to the future, so let's go to a smaller time frame right there just to see what we are looking at. There you go. This is not giving me much to work with. Let's see around this here right here. Let me see if I can draw a touch here just for us to see how that is going. We can see that I can also draw a short zone here. Let's see how that one plays out. Let's change the color to that. Let's see how that one plays out, because we can see how it's also reacting. I'm seeing like an impulse, a sort of a correction, then a possible push to the upside, which is like 90% fib level. So if you're going to continue to push like that, let's see. So if I say a close candle down of the zone, then there's a possibility that we might just continue to still push to the downside like this, right? Or there's a possibility for us to push up a little bit to touch this trend line right here before we now zoom to the downside. These are the scenarios, because right now it's not giving a clear picture on the next thing it wants to do, but that's the scenario. But before I make any buy on GU, I want it to at least break this trend line right here. Let's see, 90% right here. I want it to at least break the trend line right here, and if it breaks it, this will be my first target. Will be here, will be my first target. That will be my first target if you break the zone right here. So now it depends on how the market reacts. We just have to be patient to get more data. So if I see something like this right here, a possible retest, and there's a possibility that we might just continue to push to the upside, and that will be let's see, that will be my possible target based on that. Let's see. So that will be my target if you're pushing to the upside, right? And if you're pushing to the downside, I want it to at least come here to break this trend line, right? To break this zone right here. Then I will reanalyze to see my next target, because I think it's still gonna go down, but this is way far to the future. So that is my quick thoughts on Geo, guys. Hope you find this helpful. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. Let me just do a zone right here just to see if you're pushing to the downside. Let's change the color. So that's my thoughts on Geo, guys. Hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching, guys.